Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I have this Lakewood box fan. It's a Spring-Aire from 1971. I got this fan off the side of the road. Someone was throwing it away, and I saw it and thought it might be something interesting, and well, it was. So I didn't really do too much to it. I just clean it up and also replace the grill on the back. And the front's got a lot of missing slats, but that's how I got it. On the top, here you have the speed selector, just 2 speeds. The handle, this side, I have to flip it around. I didn't clean this yet, but now you can see the back grill that I replaced. The original one had about 1/4 of it missing. And this came off of a Kmart Lakewood fan that I've already done a video of. So, there it is. This is my first metal bladed fan. So that's pretty cool. And I got it for free. Still need to oil it, so you'll see that, but it's not terrible and I'm not really using it that much. So we'll start with low. Alright, so there it is on low speed. It's moving a pretty good amount of air. On a high speed, it's moving a lot. So turn this off and you can see the bearings are kind of stiff, but at least it works. Now, this fan is about 50 years old, and I'm doubting it ever got oiled, so at least it's still intact. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just turn it straight to high so you can hear what that sounds like. Such a pleasing sound. Go ahead and watch it one more time since it goes pretty quickly. So that's it for my Lakewood Spring-Aire P-23 box fan. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.